and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the Maxion Workstar Cyclops Rechargeable Work Light, which offers up to 720 lumens of brilliant white light for 2 hours on high, 360 lumens for 4.5 hours on medium, and 180 lumens for 10 hours on low. Next is the wrench extender head attachment from Vim Tools, which is designed to be used with the HDR34 handle. This attachment allows users to put a wrench up to 55 millimeters into the wrench extender head, allowing 48 inches of additional leverage to the wrench. Our third tool is ESAB's Victor Metalist 350 Classic Utility Kit, featuring Victor heavy-duty G350 oxygen and fuel gas regulators, a heavy-duty Victor combination torch, safety goggles, and more. The next tool is the Hawkeye Elite Expandable from Hunter Engineering, which features quick grip adapters, one-align software, and its specs database. Finally, our last tool is the Essential Pry Bar Station and Long Pry Bar Holder Pair from Tool Truck Essentials, which consists of the Essential Pry Bar Station, which holds up to 4 pry bars or cabinet screwdrivers of varying lengths, ranging from 12 inches to 24 inches, and the Essential Long Pry Bar Holder for pry bars measuring 24 inches to 42 inches. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products pique your interest, just give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletters and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.